Hi everyone, James here from Living the Camper Dream. We're ready to get on with our roof install now. So we've got a roof rack here ready to go on. And then also the solar panels ready to go on, which we got from Midsummer Energy. If you follow me round, we'll start unboxing. Right, so we've got a nice big solar panel, 330 watts. Also with that, we've got some cabling that connects to the solar panel. We've got the smart solar controller. That's the bit that actually allows it to come into the van, and then we've got the feet as well. Let's have a look at this solar panel. Nice big 330 watt solar panel there. We got it slightly cheaper because apparently there's scratches to the, only superficial scratches to the aluminium. That's not gonna bother us. So yeah, there you go, there's the product. Let's get on with the install.